So, welcome to La Jolla Tide Pools. We haven't actually gone to La Jolla Beach yet. By the way, locals call it La Jolla. Do not call it La Jolla, or people will know that you're not from around here. It's absolutely beautiful. The tide is pretty. It's starting to go out a bit, but you can start to see a lot of these red formations and also all of these little crevices that have been formed from the erosion from the waves on the beach. It is absolutely way cool. So check it out.
That's how you do it.
So one really important thing too is here, this is safe, that is not safe, this is safe, that is not safe. We were warned a lot not to step on the black rocks, and that's exactly what that is. And the water is very, very clear. It's really pretty. So that's all I have for you right now. We're gonna actually head over to La Jolla Beach. There's a bunch of tourists coming down here, so I'll see you there.
So we just spent the last 2 hours watching TV in the car, and it's kind of boring, and I feel like I'm wasting my life away, but Claire really likes it. And you don't know what's waiting for us on the other side of the car. Let's go check it out now. Not that I didn't want to carry her, she didn't want me to carry her.
Armpits hurt! Ow!
So La Jolla Beach was awesome, and now let's go to the other stuff here in San Diego.
This is not
Oh yeah, so we're at Coronado Beach.
Another day, another beach.
Oh! So guys, it's pretty cool here. The sand is actually like sparkles of gold, and it's beautiful. The wave is awesome. It's actually hot here, unlike California. It was a bit cloudy and rainy first, but in San Diego it has been sweet so far. So Claire and I are almost at the end of our trip here, and you know what? I think throughout all the trip I would live in 3 places. Either Montreal, New York, Los Angeles, or San Francisco. I mean, we're not even Hey, how's it going?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a video. You're in my video now. You just like my lens?
Yeah. You like it?
Yeah, sure. So of all the places I went to, I would either live in New York, Los Angeles, or San Diego, or Montreal. So if I was to choose a place to live in, it would maybe be San Diego. It's super chill, there's always parking here, and it really seems like a lifestyle place to live. Whereas California and New York is just too busy and stressful.
What, you aiming for retirement? Good old man here.
So I don't know if you guys can see, but this is our car and this is their car. They're exact same models, but an exact same color, but they're different shades of the same color.
Guys, clean cars are for posers. You know, our car being dirty means that we've experienced a lot and we've been there and done that. So beat that, you clean white car.
Okay, so since coming to San Diego, we had burritos every single day. I'm not kidding you. So anyways, I don't think Claire has shown you this hack yet. If you type in cheap eats near me,
the very important thing is you need to use the filter. And what you do is you filter out 4 stars and above and $1 sign. And then you'll see everything that is cheap but really good. And trust me, you really don't want to go anything below 4 stars because if you're paying money for it, you might as well get the best.
and that's all I wanted to show you guys. Okay, so that's it for now, and we did a lot today, so we're gonna end the vlog here. Again, it's Mike and Claire, we vlog every day. If you haven't subscribed yet, do so and smash the like button if you like the video, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in San Diego.
Peace out! And also, the sunsets here are really beautiful, so if we can put a picture right here so you can take a look.
Alright, bye!